after breakfast, it's time for emergency drill. Okay. Oh. Thank you, sir.
According to the maritime law and the safety of lives at sea. Passenger and crew muster, and we will report to the captain on the bridge.
This morning we are going to a tavern to have lunch, and the distance from Sada to Benkovac is about 20 miles.
Basically, as I told you, and Yasmina just found out that she's waiting for a girl. Yeah, after a boy, she's waiting for a girl, and you can look at her smile, like she's very happy. So I'm gonna be around and help Yasmina a little bit, but she will present her family. She will present how they live, her house, yeah, lifestyle.
Hello, welcome. So, as he said, my name is Yasmina. I am the bride here. So be free to come in. I have a warm tea and small pieces to eat that we made just now. It's still warm, so come with me. So now I'm village girl, but I love it. I really love it. I lived in the city. This is my father-in-law. That is his father. And yeah, he made all this by them's hand, right? For already 50 years upgrading. And this is my mother-in-law. She is the master chef and she is always in cooking. He's just burning the fire and he's just good looking. I'm just talking. Nek bude u velikoj teći, ja ću njima ušalice iznijeti. Samo ušlipci su vani, voda ako prokuva da izneseš. So they have to listen to me. And yes, follow me. As you can see, the house is big. Let me start from here. To be honest, their first room that they lived was the konoba that I will put you in. It was war here, right? It was 1980. They came here, they started with that room, but unfortunately because of the war they have to move away. It was very rough, tough. Father-in-law was here staying and guarding everything, right, in the military. And yeah, when they came back, everything was destroyed again. So all over again, they made all this house all by themselves. No asking help, no asking firms or someone to build it. For 30 years, they make it, yeah, as much as they could. Now we are just making it pretty. Come with me. Be free to try our domestic food, our homemade food that we love to prepare, especially on the winter. We have our welcome liquors that is very great. It warms you more than a tea. You can try. We have walnuts, we have plum, we have also walnuts, pure alcohol, rakia that we call. Yeah, that's the strongest. Here is a honey, and here is the sherry, the sweetest liquor that you could try. So be free to take a glass so I can sip you in, so you can try it. And then later, this is our homemade, how do you call it, biscuits, let's say. It's still warm, and this is our homemade gems that my mother and mother-in-law is preparing for us. So please be free. I want to show you first the walnuts. That's what we made this year. And it takes 3 months to be prepared. It's not so hard. Here you go.
It's very, very nice. Yeah, the walnut is super.
The walnut is very healthy.
Yeah.
It is for stomachache. It's for...
Well, basically, you know, this is a big tradition in Croatia.
That's right. So as I said, every family is making this. My husband made this floor. He killed himself for a month, but yeah, he made it. He doesn't want to pay someone else and say, yeah, he made it to me. No, I made this. Everything that you see. These stones that you see on this house, we picked from the ground. We went to another small town, right? My father and mother-in-law, they are the ones who are doing it. Just go there to that place and just picking it from the ground.
Wow.
That's right. Cleaning it and then sticking on it, and it looks beautiful.
Yeah. They are building a large swimming pool here with the help of relatives and neighbors. And of course, they have lots of rocks to use to build other things.
Yeah. And this is my father-in-law that he made a 3D television. Now you say all people is gathering on one place and they are selling what they are doing. You know, it's all chairs, all the tables, all the glasses. That's right. So beautiful. From the needle to the train, as they say, you can find there. Everything. No, really, everything you can find in the Benkovac. It's 3 kilometers from here.
Wow.
Okay.
Here you go.
Just sugar. Honey.
This tastes like it. Just recently,
yeah. Yes. You will not be disappointed. It's excellent.
Oh, you step up. Just one of those dealers. Is it like fruit? You lift them up?
They pick.
Pick them and you lift them up.
Usually we put it something out also underneath, so what falls down we can pick up later. They like
Street right behind you there, dude, right? Yeah. What about the
street? Purple olives are ripe, but not the green ones. But purple and green olives can be picked at the same time to produce olive oil.
You got a lot?
I got a fair amount.
Let me see. Wow.
I don't see you, Doc. Come on. I don't see you. Really. Get around the corner. Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you.
Phrases on a piece of paper. Other than that, we were pretty useless. Oh, and I got to help make longevity noodles, and Dick got to cook peanuts.
Ah.
When we went to China, I can't remember which town we were at, but
Spring rolls?
oh,
You made the wrappers?
yeah, yeah.
Može. Hey girls, are you cool?
But it's a good school.
Yeah, that is.
I'm going to go in.
All of these things that are built, doing that myself.
Not gonna fit. Okay.
I could run the hair with.
Yeah. You got it. He's got to put it down now.
Of course.
Wow.
Wow.
So you cook it from the top.
That's
Right.
right.
Top loading.
Yeah. Wow.
To be honest, we had this in our house for, I'm gonna lie to you, maybe 20 years, right? But only a few years later, we noticed that she made just one small pause here.
This one what?
But cool later on or the night.
That is just special, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah. I tried and then just immediately pouring inside, and then you're drinking pure coffee without a milk. It's so strong, it wakes you up immediately.
Cool.
And so cute.
Very good.
Ready.
So we have potatoes,
Yes.
onions, and
Right.
carrot,
Uh-huh.
and the meat.
You are walking the
Have you tried the barely naked? Barely naked? No, it's like pork. Nearly naked. I don't think they have. You'll have to find a friend of yours.
We can help if you're willing.
Yes, we are. Are you there? Everybody.
I would love to take a lot of thanks. I would love to say, you know, a lot of thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was lovely.
Very nice. Did we have a great time?
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah. Super. Let's. Do you want to do a photo with us?
I would love to take a group photo and yeah, to finish it. If you can just line up here.
Yeah, the sun is coming. Excellent.
Cheers. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very much. We will.
First of all, April Fool. Hello. I'm so happy to see you. Yeah, it's gonna be funny. I get.
Dear viewers, here are more information from Mr. Pavel, the postman, and his son, Mario, on their property. In 1991, Serbia invaded Croatia, and that started the Croatian War of Independence, which lasted from 1991 to 1995. Mario's family fled to Switzerland, and their home was occupied and later burned down. These are the area occupied by the Serbia, including the home of Mario.
But unfortunately, because of the war, they have to move away. It was very rough, tough. Father-in-law was here, staying and guarding everything, right in the military. And yeah, when they came back, everything was destroyed again. So all over again, they made all this house all by themselves. No asking help, no asking firms or someone to build it. For 30 years, they make it. Yeah.
Let me see. Wow.
In the afternoon, instead of a city tour, we attended a lecture on board the ship.
What do you think in the world at the moment? How many languages are there in the world at the moment? Just to do the wild guess. You don't have to.
800.
800. Okay. Anyone else? Which other group of languages? Which other language in the Slavic group of languages would you say there is? Russian, Czech, Bulgarian, Polish. Term for onion, as in New York. We say New York over here, not like you in New York. Yeah, like gnocchi, Italian dumplings. You're familiar with? Gnocchi. That's the sound in Croatian language. Okay. I'm coming from France. I love your. Yeah? Not Zadar. Okay. S as in snake. Snake S. Very simple. We have sound sh. Our group was today in a small village of Shopper. A j sound as it's my pleasure. J sound. Okay, j. So those are the consonants and the vowels pretty much that we'll just go through. We have sound sh as in shower or a shoe. We have sound j as it's my pleasure. Okay, j sound.
Dreamt of you last night, woke up, you weren't there. 5 nights in a row of dreams I'd never share. You come without a warning, early in the morning. Timing's never been our thing. Leaving me with guilt, the only souvenir you bring. I'm with him and you're a secret treasure. He's devotion, you're a guilty pleasure. I'm with him and this is real life, honey. Guess the joke's no longer funny. I'm with him until the death do us part, but it doesn't do for this hungry heart. I'm with him but in the frantic head you always come and say, would you run away? Would you run away with me? Would you run away? Would you run away? One love is enough, that's all you ever get.